To locate a used 1000 amp switchgear panel operating at 208 volts, start by exploring various marketplaces. These include online platforms like eBay and Craigslist. On eBay, you search terms such as used switchgear or 1000 amp switchboard to find potential sellers. Craigslist can also offer local listings for used industrial equipment. Machinery Trader.com is another option, specializing in used industrial machinery including switchgear. Consider industrial surplus dealers like Grain Goods Surplus, which offers a variety of used electrical equipment, including switchgear. Surplus Center specializes in selling surplus and used industrial goods, also including switchgear. Indiana Surplus focuses on selling used and surplus electrical equipment. Electrical supply distributors can also be a source. Some local electrical supply houses might have used switchgear available for purchase. National electrical distributors such as Kraber and Sasko may have reconditioned or used switchgear. When considering a used panel, thorough inspection is crucial. Examine the condition of the switchgear, paying close attention to the switches, fuses, and housing. Verify the specifications to ensure the panel meets the required amperage, voltage, and number of phases. In this case, you need a 1000 amp 208 volt panel. Check the safety features to ensure the panel has appropriate safety mechanisms such as interlocking mechanisms and ground fault protection. Compare prices from multiple sellers to ensure you are getting a reasonable deal. Also factor in the additional expenses associated with installing and maintaining the used panel. Ensure the panel meets the specifications you need, including the number of single-phase and three-phase switches. Remember to account for the cost of spare parts. Verify the number and type of spare switches available with the panel and factor in the cost of replacing any missing or damaged components. It's important to evaluate the overall condition of the switchgear. Look for signs of wear and tear, such as rust, corrosion, or damage to the enclosure. Check the busbars and connections for any signs of overheating or damage. Ensure that the switchgear has been properly maintained and serviced. Ask for maintenance records to verify that the equipment has been regularly inspected and tested. Check the circuit breakers or fuses to ensure they are in good working condition and are properly sized for the application. Consider the age of the switchgear. While older equipment may be less expensive, it may also be less reliable and more difficult to maintain. Also verify that the switchgear complies with all applicable safety standards and regulations. Look for certifications such as UL or ANSI to ensure that the equipment has been tested and approved for use. Before purchasing any used switchgear, it is recommended to consult with a qualified electrical engineer or technician to ensure that it is suitable for the intended application and meets all safety requirements. They can assess the condition of the equipment, verify its specifications, and provide guidance on installation and maintenance.